Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to download your data from LinkedIn. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that go and click on settings. After that go to data privacy. And as you can see, the second option is download your data. Click on it. And as you can see, it will tell you here exactly what you should do to download your data. So you should visit LinkedIn on your desktop, navigate to your profile, tap settings, select data privacy tab, and scroll down to find download your data and follow the steps in the flow to download your data. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe